Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Michael.
And I'm Sarah. Today, we're going to talk about how to use gerunds in English. Are you ready, Michael?
Absolutely, Sarah. Let's start. First, what is a gerund?
A gerund is the ing form of a verb that functions as a noun. For example, running, reading, or cooking.
So, a gerund is a verb ending in ing that acts like a noun?
Exactly. And they are very common in English. Now, can you give us some examples of sentences with gerunds?
Sure. I enjoy reading. She likes swimming. They are interested in learning English. Or cooking is fun.
Great examples. Now, when do we use gerunds?
Gerunds are used in several situations. For instance, after certain verbs like enjoy, like, love, hate, prefer, and start. For example, I enjoy dancing, or he hates cleaning.
Also, gerunds are used after prepositions. For example, they are good at singing, or she is interested in playing the piano.
Very important point. What about as the subject of a sentence?
Yes, gerunds can be the subject. For example, reading helps you learn, or swimming is good exercise.
Can we also use gerunds after specific expressions?
Absolutely. Expressions like, it's no use, it's worth, there's no point in, etc. For example, it's no use complaining, or it's worth trying.
That's clear. Now, what about the difference between a gerund and a present participle?
Good question. They look the same, both end in ing, but a gerund functions as a noun, while a present participle is used as part of a continuous tense or as an adjective. For example, reading in I am reading is a present participle, while in reading is fun, it's a gerund.
I understand. Now, how do we form gerunds from verbs?
It's simple. Just add ing to the base form of the verb. No matter the ending, you just add ing. For example, to walk becomes walking, to run becomes running, and to dance becomes dancing.
Are there any spelling rules or exceptions?
Yes. For verbs ending with e, like write, you drop the e and add ing, writing. For verbs ending with a consonant plus vowel plus consonant, like sit, double the final consonant, sitting.
Thanks, Sarah. To wrap up, can you summarize the main uses of gerunds?
Sure. Gerunds are used after certain verbs, prepositions, and as the subject of a sentence. They are formed by adding ing to the base verb with some spelling rules.
Great summary. Thanks for listening, everyone. Keep practicing using gerunds in your sentences.
See you next time.